Moritzburg Castle is near Dresden, Germany. Once you get off at Dresden Neustadt Hauptbahnhof, go straight to the bus stop and take bus number 477. This bus will travel for about 30 minutes going to the place. Along the way, you can see the vast lands of Dresden and Moritzburg. The bus stop where you get off is just near the castle. You will immediately overlook the beautiful attraction. The place is not difficult to locate, but the only connecting mode of transport going there is by bus. Inside the bus is also very comfortable, but make sure that you have the ticket. If you are worried, you can also ask questions around, and most of the people there are very kind. The place is famous, so there is nothing to worry about. Moritzburg is a municipality in the district of Meissen in Saxony, Germany, between Meissen itself, an early center of Saxony, and today's capital, Dresden. And as I've said, it is most famous for its Baroque castle, the Schloss Moritzburg. This is the entrance of the castle. So the castle has 4 round towers and lies on a symmetrical artificial island. It is named after Duke Moritz of Saxony, who had a hunting lodge built there between 1542 and 1546. The surrounding woodlands and lakes were a favorite hunting area of the electors and kings of Saxony. At the time of my visit, the castle was closed, so unfortunately I wasn't able to see the interior of the castle and its exhibitions. But according to history, the interior of the castle is furnished with examples of opulent Baroque decor from the time of Augustus the Strong. The walls are covered in 17th century gold gilded leather. Many rooms' furnishings are dedicated to courtly hunting. The collection of red deer antlers is one of the most important of its kind. The castle's largest collection of antlers is shown in the Speisesaal in German or dining room in English. In 1972, Moritzburg Castle was one of the locations of the Czechoslovak-German film Three Wishes for Cinderella, which became a popular fairy tale movie in Central Europe and what makes this place very attractive to tourists.